大家好，这里是电子发烧友2019年人工智能大会的现场，我是分析师张慧娟。坐在我旁边的这位呢是 Cadence AI Senior Product Marketing Manager Megha Daga. Nice to meet you.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Megha Daga. I lead the product management marketing for AI Inference at the Edge product line at Cadence Tensilica. Nice to meet you.
And so my first question is, among Cadence's broad portfolio of Tensilica processor IP, and Tensilica DNA100 is designed specifically for AI application. So what features does it have, and what AI needs it designed for?
Very valid question. We have looked into several needs and requirements in the field of AI. Cadence Tensilica has been in the industry for many years and have been solving the purpose of AI, specialized in audio, specialized in vision. And here we were looking into needs which was very, very specific for standalone AI processing, not just for layers, but for application. Few key things which we looked at was getting very high performance, because compute requirements are increasing every day. More and more applications are moving towards AI. Second is high power efficiency. Power is very, very critical when it comes to these days for inferencing at the edge. And then third is latency. So it's very important to get these things done on time, being connected and getting it done. So for those three main reasons, we came with Tensilica DNA100, where we are providing best-in-class performance, best-in-class power efficiency, and at very low latency by not doing any batching whatsoever and getting those numbers. Few key things which we did for this one was we had a big research team inside Tensilica which looked into how the requirements are developing in the neural networks, how the trends are in the networks. And there is a very inherent nature of networks where there is a lot of presence of zeros, which is sparsity in the industry domain, that's how it's called, in both data, which is dynamically coming, and in the weights. People have been utilizing this weight sparsity for quite a while, but we have utilized that sparsity in the data flow. And not just for bandwidth, but we are doing it for compute as well. And by doing the utilization in the compute, we are able to do the jobs through our compute engine in much, much less cycles than what it would take for a regular dense processing engine to do. And by doing that, we get very high throughput. We run it at very low power, so it gets very high power efficiency at low memory bandwidth, and it solves the key challenges we face.
My next question is how to efficiently deploy AI functions on specialized processing architecture, and what are the key features of Cadence design tools?
Thank you. One thing which has become very, very prominent in the industry is that there is need for specialized hardware, but more than that, now we have to think about software. We have to make sure that our software and hardware goes in hand with each other, and that is something we very well understand at Cadence Tensilica. And we have made sure that we provide those kind of automated compilers, tools to go hand in hand with our hardware. So for that, we have a solution called Tensilica Extensa Neural Network Compiler, which is our automated homegrown tool to generate quantized, optimized source code for Tensilica IPs such as DNA100 to get the code conversion in a minute of or a time frame of few minutes, and then you can just go to the deployment as fast as possible. With the Tensilica Extensa Neural Network Compiler, we have been able to reduce the development time frame from several months to few days. And there are several key features which this tool comes with. We have taken care of taking the input from very well-defined frameworks like Caffe, TensorFlow. We take those networks, We internally in a black box just plug pinpoint for the customers to go to. They push button and they get optimized code. They just deploy that code. And inside the code, we take care of quantization because we are a firm believer of 8-bit processing. And our quantization is a state of art in itself. And other than quantization, we take care of a lot of optimization features so that we can have low bandwidth requirements and high performance. And from there, the customer have access to the full source code so they can do profiling, detailed profiling, and updates as they need. We also understand the industry where everybody is coming with their own neural network, so customization is a must. So we have the provision to add the custom layers inside our software tools. And with all that, it works very well hand in hand with our IPs. Thank you.
For your time. Thank you.